Hello friends, here is an interesting question about whether or not the cyclopentadienyl cation aromatic or not. So I have made 5 or 6 parts I believe about aromaticity. If you haven't watched those parts, please watch so. And I'll be talking about how to identify which this cyclopentadienyl cation is aromatic or not. So let's start. So first, if you look at this molecule, ask yourself a question. Is this compound cyclic? If the answer is yes, all good, then proceed to the next question. If you see the molecule and ask the next question, is this compound conjugated? If the answer is yes, that's it, go further to the next point. So why this is conjugated? Because this double bond is involved in resonance and this double bond is also involved in resonance. So this is fully conjugated system. So next, count number of pi bonds. So it has 2 pi bonds, write down 2. Count the lone pairs. It does not have any lone pairs because it does not have any heteroatom and carbon has fully satisfied the valency. So 4, and now count the number of lone pairs. Now count the number of pi electrons. So there are 2 pi bonds. So 2 times 2 equals to 4 because 1 pi bond is equals to 2 pi electrons. Now, most important question is this compound obeying the Huckel's rule, which is 4n plus 2 pi electron rule? So if you put 0 instead of n, the answer will be 2. If you put 1 instead of n, the answer will be 6. But in this case, the answer is 4 because there are 4 pi electrons. Hence, it's not obeying the Huckel's rule. Hence, it's not aromatic. This is how you can systematically apply this sequence of questions in order to reach a conclusion which will inform you if this compound aromatic or not. But if it's not aromatic, then what is it? It's non-aromatic or anti-aromatic? It is anti-aromatic because it does not obey the Huckel's rule, even though it is cyclic, even though it's conjugated, even though it has pi electrons, but it does not obey the Huckel's rule. Hence it is called anti-aromatic, not non-aromatic. Non-aromatic compounds are easy to identify. They are not cyclic. So this compound is non-aromatic, and this is how you can use this table to reach the solid conclusions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share it with your friends. Bye.